What is up guys? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Taytay. Today is our last day dito sa Taytay kasi tomorrow magpa-fly out na kami to go back to Winnipeg. Sad. But, it's been a fun trip. It's been a month of happiness. Ang dami namin nagawa dito. Yung birthday ni Nanay Connie talaga yung reason bakit kami umuwi. And yeah, nakita namin yung mga kamag-anak namin na hindi namin nakikita for a long time. Today is July 8. Tomorrow, July 9, we fly back to Winnipeg. So, spending couple more hours dito sa Taytay. And then, tonight, pack up na. And then, tomorrow afternoon we go back to Canada. So, ang agenda natin today is kakain lang, say hi to Nanay Connie, sa mga pinsan pa namin na nandito sa Taytay, and then we head to Marikina later. So, tara, kain tayo. Punta muna tayo dito sa coffee shop ng pinsan ko. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Say what's up.
I cried.
You cried?
Yeah.
Why did you cry? What are you eating?
Nachos.
Nachos? Ito may mga nachos din pala sila dito. Le Leticia Cafe. We're still here. Hi! Wow, ano yung coffee yan?
New.
New. New. Anong tawag niyo dito?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Sabi niya.
That looks like Cristela.
Sabi nga niya, hindi nga daw pa.
Looks like Alice.
And baby, make sure to follow. Make sure to follow that. And itong La Leticia Cafe. Kuha natin yung bago niyang drinks. Sarap! Ay, wala pa pala.
Okay. Sarap di ba?
I like it, I like it. Good. Make sure to buy dito. Okay?
Pwede.
It's not bad. Coffee / na peanut butter. It's very good. May mga dumating pa po, oh. Mga pangit.
Hi.
Mga pangit.
Okay.
Ito pa pala, hoy. Say hi naman, pare. Ayun. Hi. Anto ka na? Bye, guys.
Hoy, ingat guys sa biyahe. Hindi, meron talaga siya. Ang liit. Uy, parang magka-height lang kayo.
Wow, wow. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo, ha?
Ingat. Bye.
Ingat,
Hello, boy. Alice. Bye-bye. Bye, kuya.
Tito Jan? Ha? Bye-bye na muna.
Bye. Bye. Kiss naman si tita. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay nga na, bye-bye.
Let's go. Home time. Home time, home time.
Ang luwag naman dito.
I know. Ganda na nakuha natin.
Sabi ganito, dapat ko nito.
I know.
Oh, daddy. Hindi naman gano'n kalaki.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
What's up, guys? We heading to the airport. Shout out to Palincan. Shout out. Salamat sa paghatid. What's up, guys? Dito kami sa Mall of Asia. Kakain muna sa Max before we head to the airport. Shout out to this guy. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Pangatlong stop.
Bye, Kuya. Bye, Kuya. Bye.
Artica.
Oh, wow, Artica. Bye. Bye.
Sa New Year. Bye,
guys.
kuya.
That's it, guys. See you soon again, Philippines. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.